What's good, y'all? Balo back again with another video, and we're making salmon. My nephews love salmon because it's a high quality protein filled with vitamins and minerals, and it definitely has that omega-3 fatty acids they love. We're going to be using my fish seasoning. Right now I don't have any for retail, so bear with me. So the salmon we have right now, you see it's cut in half, already cleaned and washed. I don't think I got to show you how to wash fish in lime. We have the skin removed from it, ready to go. And let me just show you what we're going to do with this. As usual, we'll just go along. This is some Thai basil. I seen this in the grocery store. I was shopping, loved it. I got some shallots and some garlic also. Salted butter. Now, it's very important in this recipe. Scotch bonnet, can't do without it. You know how we always work. And we got some cilantro here, finely chopped up. And the fish seasoning, again, none for retail. Well, I'll let you know as soon as I have some available for you guys. And some smoked paprika, maybe, and some crushed pepper flakes. Again, this is a maybe. I'll go along and see how I feel about it. The nephews, they want this salmon. They really love it. It's their thing. I try to get them to eat more veggies, but they just want the fish. So right now I'm just going to season this real simple. I'm only going to use the fish seasoning. You could use other seasonings if you want to, but my fish seasoning has enough in it, so I don't really need to add, I'm trying to get these guys. I said, hey, listen, you can have some Brussels sprouts and some hemp seed, walnuts. They all give you the same omega-3 fatty acids that the salmon does, but if you want to stick to fish, let's just go ahead and stick to this. So that's all seasoned up really nice. We're going to go ahead and get our pan heated. I'm going to cook in a cast iron pot. So let's just give me a second here, okay? Our pan is heated on medium heat, and I'm adding the coconut oil to it. Actually medium high, because I want to get a good nice sear. Now the coconut oil has omega-3 fatty acids also, and it's low in calories, so I love this oil. Plus it heats up really, really fast. There's a couple of the utensils that are mandatory necessary when you're gonna cook fish, especially in a cast iron pan, and that's a tongue and a spatula, fish spatula. See, this one, you lift it up and flip it over. Very necessary. So let's go ahead and add the fish. So I'm putting the fish in, but I'm adding this not on the skin side up where the skin would be, because I want to plate it on the other side. So we're just going to let this catch a good sear, let it sear for about 3 minutes or so, okay? Okay, so now that's been searing for about, 3 to 4 minutes. Let's turn this thing over, see how it looks. Oh, man, look at that. That's a beautiful, beautiful sear that we got right there. Can't ask for nothing more than that. And now we're just gonna let this go, turn the fire down just a little bit, and let this go ahead and cook for another maybe, 8 minutes or so, Okay, so that's been going for about 8 minutes. Let's go ahead and add the rest of the seasoning. So I'm gonna put in the shallots and the garlic, and both sides. I don't know why I do this. It's just a habit. I don't know if it's necessary. I guess you could put it anywhere you want. Then I'm gonna add our butter. Now remember, this is salted butter. You could use unsalted, but because I didn't season it, heavily season it, I just wanted the extra salt to come from the butter. And that's one of the reasons why I didn't go crazy on the seasoning. And then now I'm gonna add my Scotch bonnets. I know every video we have the Scotch bonnet in there, but it is bringing the Caribbean to your table, so I gotta add something that's gonna give me a Caribbean vibe, and Scotch bonnets always does it for me. And then I'm just gonna add in the cilantro, and the Thai basil. I put some of the butter on the top here because I just want it to melt down into the, the salmon and really get it a nice coat. But we're gonna coat it anyway. And see how it's rolling down. Oh, you should smell this. It smells so delicious. Let me just throw in, this is the cilantro here. Just get it in there anyhow you need to, and as much as you like. I want it to really have a nice, powerful flavor, so I'm gonna add more herbs. And the Thai basil, it has a really strong flavor, you know. And let me just put in a little water here just because I want to baste it, right? And the pan is still kind of hot, so what would happen, I don't want it to really burn. So I added the water. That's the only thing of the water, you know, a little clean up. So just in case you wonder why I didn't put water in there, that's why. So now the good part, let's mix in all those flavors real quick, you know, stir it around, and here we go. The part you all been waiting for, the basting. Oh, this makes or break the dish right here. You gotta baste it with all that butter and the cilantro and the Thai basil and the Scotch bonnets. Man, flavor's fantastic. Look at that. See, just let it drip down, move it around a little bit. Oh, look at this. Nobody can talk to you after this. You make this at home, you know, for the wife or for the husband. Oh, it's guaranteed, if you know what I mean. Guaranteed. So let's just go ahead and get that done, and then we're gonna be ready to plate. Now I made this with some curry rice with the same Thai basil and the cilantro, along with some bok choy on the side. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I know you guys hear it all the time, but you know how the algorithm works, man. You gotta like, share, and comment on this video for me, and let's keep this party going. Look at that. Oh my Lord.